Okay, good morning. Welcome to
KidMath160.
KidMath160. This was problem number 22 on the 1996 AMC 8, and this gave you a little bit of trouble yesterday, and it kind of inspired us me to teach you a new geometry theorem, which is easy to do since we've not studied geometry at all, so just about everything's new, right? Well, let's talk about this problem. Let's talk about the way we did it yesterday and the way this new theorem we talked about today helps you. The horizontal and vertical distances between adjacent points equal 1 unit. Okay, so basically I've got a little grid here, or a lattice, sometimes that's called. And it asks what's the area of this triangle ABC. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4 across, 3 up, and it's this kind of very skinny little looking triangle here. Okay, well, so how did we do this yesterday?
We found triangles that helped us, like this triangle could help us.
Okay, that's a big triangle. Now, why was finding triangles useful here?
Because when we found right triangles, we knew the length and the height and width.
Okay, so we said this one had a height of 3 and a width of 4?
Yeah, so this area is 6.
Okay, so the area of this triangle is 6. Then we could do what next?
Well, then we can see what the 6 is chopped up into.
Alright, so chop it up.
We've got this triangle, and this rectangle.
Okay. And then the triangle we're looking for.
Yeah, so the rectangle's area is 2.
Uh-huh.
This area, it's 1 by 1, so it's a half. And this is 3 by 2. 3.
Okay.
So we have 5 and a half, so this has to be a half.
Okay. So we chop it up into, we got this big triangle, we can chop it up into pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. We know the area of this one, and this one. And that tells us the area of this one has to be the rest, which is a half. But today we talked about a new theorem called
Pick's theorem.
Pick's theorem. And what does Pick's theorem say?
Well, it says the area of something equals the number of points on the inside.
Not the area of something, something very specific.
The area of a polygon.
The area of a polygon?
A simple polygon.
That's simple.
And as points on the lattice.
And has the vertex, each of the vertices of the polygon is on the lattice. Okay? So what does Pick's theorem say the area is?
Well, it says that the area equals the number of interior points.
Lattice points.
Yeah.
Okay? So how many lattice points are on the inside of our orange triangle?
None.
None, okay.
Plus the number of points on the boundary of the shape. And then this is, you divide by 2.
Okay, the number of points on the boundary divided by 2. So how many points are on the boundary?
There's 3 points.
Okay.
So it's 3 halves. You subtract 1.
Okay. Minus 1. So we take the number of interior lattice points.
0.
Plus the number of points on the boundary.
3 halves.
Divided by 2. So that's 3 halves. Subtract 1 and we get?
A half.
1 half.
So it works.
Just like we found. Okay. So Pick's theorem is a really neat theorem. And what's one thing you learned about Pick today that we didn't know before?
He helped Albert Einstein.
Yeah. Turns out Pick was one of the people who taught Albert Einstein math. Pretty cool. Alright, hey, good job. Good job. That was just kind of a fun morning exercise, learning about a new geometry theorem. Alright, good job, sweetie.